I think the biggest difference between us and other institutes who offer this program, number one and most importantly, is the quality instructors we have. In addition to that, our program is designed for hands-on learning, not only theoretical knowledge.
Vancouver International College, where ambitions fly.
Hello guys, I'm here today with Remy. So Remy, can you tell us a little bit about yourself first?
My name is Dr. Ramy Mustafa. I am the Global Business Expertise Coordinator and Senior Instructor, and I have a PhD in Training and Development. I've been in the field of training and development in big companies for the past 20 years. I'm also a university professor teaching also training and development courses, and this is my 4th year at VIC.
What do you think that is the main difference from our courses to other courses in the market in Vancouver?
I think the biggest difference between us and other institutes who offer this program is number one and most importantly is the quality instructors we have. Because myself, I have a PhD in the field, so I've been not only theoretical, but I've been practicing the things that are needed for our students to learn, and the other instructor with us has several years in the field. In addition to that, our program is designed for hands-on learning, not only theoretical knowledge. We just recently finished the legal administration necessary for business law, and the students acted as lawyers where they had a case study and they had to analyze the cases and do it. And let's not forget one of the most important events that happen twice a year at VIC, which is the marketing showcase, where our students invent products and plan for their marketing and actually implement them and recruit investors. I'm actually happy to say over the past 4 years, 3 groups in our school actually found sponsors for their invented products, and right now they are working on prototypes to actually produce and market their products.
Oh my God, that's great.
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
It's more than just the classes, it's the full experience of getting to know exactly what you're doing.
Absolutely. The other element of strength that VIC offers that not so many other people do is the diversity of our student population. In my classroom, I have students from Brazil, from Mexico, from Taiwan, I have from Turkey, and we had a few students coming, if I recall correctly, there was a Nigerian student once, and of course, Japanese are one of the major contributors in our classroom. So there is diversity of students from different backgrounds, from different ages, and those people with their experiences and their backgrounds, they enrich the learning process, make it sound different, because our program is called Global Business Expertise, and that brings the global into the classroom, right? Whereas in other places where I've noticed they only have one kind of population of students, whether from Japan or Mexico, our classrooms are diverse and they provide different perspectives from all over the world.
What do you think that will be the biggest difference for them that they will feel in the job market once they are ready to start working in Vancouver?
Number one, we need to understand something very important, which is we are in Vancouver, in Canada, one of the strongest G7 countries in the G7 constellation. Many of our students, they benefited a lot from the program going into the workplace, because on the one hand, they have improved their English communication skills very big time, because we don't only teach business, but we also focus on the communication part, because like I said, our model of education is cooperative and collaborative learning. It's not that a teacher just stands in front of students and talk all the time. So students do communicate with one another. The other thing is that our co-op program also offers the students the chance to embellish and work on their resumes, make them stronger. They teach them all the necessary soft skills that the Canadian job market needs, and they try to land them co-op opportunities that align with their personal preferences. Of course, our students have been in many excellent places, and our co-op services. I mean, like, you can talk to Lizette or you can talk to Jessica. Both of them are amazing co-op professionals, and they can provide all the necessary information.
If you want to know more about Vancouver International College, you must go to our website, vancouver.college, and there you receive all the information that you need to come and study with us and to experience this great class that Remis teaches here.
Reaching for